Today, we open this beautiful Oxford cloth jigsaw puzzle case with puzzle storage capacity for up to 1,500 pieces. This product was provided to us by Lavievert in exchange for an honest review. Well, let's get this thing open. Now, as I look at it, the first thing I notice is that it does feel as though it's some premium quality materials being used. This puzzle storage bag seems to be constructed from nylon and felt fabric, which is definitely lighter than some of the more traditional wooden storage racks. Now, as I open this up, I notice that there's a soft interior padded section with a felt-like fabric. Now, the padded section seems to be there to provide some reinforcement and help protect unfinished puzzles that you close up inside this carrying case. Now, this is very cool. As you can see, there are 6 trays, and they all fit very snugly into the actual carrying case. To save space, you can store these trays right into the slots with Velcro closures. Now, the trays themselves just snap together very nicely. Makes it very convenient for separating your puzzle pieces. Also, and this is really cool, if you haven't finished and you have to pack up, you can actually open the enclosures here on the trays themselves and dump your puzzle pieces in to keep them safely separated for the next time that you decide to work on your puzzle. Oh, this is very nice. This layer is an independent puzzle plateau. It acts as your puzzle board where you'll work on your puzzle, and you can very easily move this puzzle around on this piece because it's very solid. You can take it out, move it, put it back in the bag. Very, very nice. Now let's try this out. Now let's try this out. I'm not sure how this is going to work, so let's see. I've got my progressive puzzle. I'm going to close the case. I'm going to pick it up and carry it, and then we're going to open it up and see if the puzzle has come apart. Now this is the real test. Wow, it's good. Oh, that's awesome. Now, it also comes with these 2 storage straps. They're Velcro, and I guess they're to help store the finished puzzles. What Lavievert suggests is that if you have more than a few puzzle boards, you just stack the boards up and tighten them with the straps to prevent them from breaking apart. And as you can see, there's handles on the carrying case, so it makes it very convenient for making it portable and carrying it around by hand. You can basically take your puzzles with you wherever you go. Well, I really enjoyed this Jigsaw puzzle storage case by Lavievert. It did everything it was supposed to do. It kept my puzzle safe, and the trays were super convenient, especially how they get stored right in the storage unit itself. You can find this on Amazon, and check below for a coupon link. Thanks so much for watching. Please, if you haven't already, like, and if you want to watch some more of these videos, subscribe. We got lots more content coming your way.